going on, folks? Welcome back to the Red State channel. I hope you've been enjoying the new content. If you haven't seen it, head over to the main channel and you'll see a new Odin's Odyssey video, which is a series I do with my rescue Shepski. See a load of golf videos because we're restoring that. A load of more stuff coming up, more documentaries, more explore videos. But today I want to introduce you to Aydon, who owns a Mk1 Fiesta that we're going to be doing up on the channel. And he also owns a unit that we're going to be doing a lot of work on the Golf and on the Fiesta out and loads of other cool stuff. So we're going to take you there. We're going to show you the build plans of what we're going to do, rearrange it a little bit, try and get some work in. Hopefully it'll be a good day. Going to go make some breakfast, so I'll catch back up with you when Aydon gets here and I'll introduce him. Look at that, folks. Nice bacon brioche batch, some juice. Going to go jump in Aydon's car and then we'll see you at the unit. See you later, buddy. Say hello to the beautiful YouTube people. You're going to be famous. You're going to be famous, mate. This is Aydon. This is the guy that owns Cowshed Cars. This is where the unit's going to be. This is the guy that owns a Fiesta, hasn't moved in 5 years. 5 years? I don't know.
No, he went out of MOT a few years ago, man. Over-exaggerating the amount of time that it hasn't moved.
Well,
possibly.
We're going to try and record. I'll eat the bacon first. We're going to try and record Aydon building this Fiesta back up.
Fucking hell, that would be a long video.
Yeah, it's going to be a long series. We're going to record the Golf, getting that back on the road. Probably won't take as long, it depends with the carb. We're going to see a load of crazy shit from Charlie Burns whenever he turns up.
If he turns up, if he's alive.
If he's alive, we'll see the unit while I eat my bacon sandwich.
What the fuck's going on, Gaz?
Someone's playing silly bollocks up
Well,
the
he's moved his Range Rover as well. We might actually have the odds ourselves.
If anyone wonders why he's called it Cowshed Farms. Cows! It's like Indiana Jones in reverse. We have a new wall. It's been put all across there that wasn't there before, so we can see into the horse. There's a horse behind there, isn't there? Little horsey. That's where he lives, and the dog. It actually looks well nicer with that, man. Man, what have we got on today?
Smashing sofas up.
Smashing sofas. Oh yeah, this sofa that Charlie's threw out of cars about 4 times and we've tried to get rid of it.
Yeah. The smashed sofa, we've got a crack pathway from that. Come here, onto the ramp.
There it is.
So we can go up in the air so we can tidy stock up. Turn around.
As the boss of Cowshed Cars, talk us through. Take us on a journey.
Take us on a journey?
Yeah.
I don't know. We break stuff and fix stuff. From petrol lawnmowers that was broken, now fixed, to motorbikes that were broken, now fixed, quads, to a Mk1 Fiesta which was fixed and then I broke it. It's been parked up for 15 years in a scrapyard. I saved it like 4 or 5 years ago. MOT'd it, didn't like it, took it back off the road, and there she sits.
Now what's wrong with it now?
I'm waiting some more paint work. A bigger engine, bigger engine, big engine.
Should be over there. When do you reckon it's going to be done then?
6 months.
6 months.
And here we have.
You've heard it all here, folks. 6 months. That Fiesta, if it's not done, there's going to be a riot. There's going to be a riot.
Start a GoFundMe page.
Yeah, that's it.
So we've got an 1800 Silvertop Z-Tech, 115 brake out of a Fiesta. Mark III that's been gone over and oil pump and stuff's been checked and a new cam belt and the sump's been modified.
Very nice. Other than that little bit of
damage on the
but that's sortable.
And there we have a 5-speed Series 2 RS Turbo limited slip diff gearbox that has been gone over and rebuilt and ready to go and have some fun with. And here's the beast. Custom lower arms, which we'll get to when we get round to fitting them, and a custom panhard rod, and standalone ECU, and bike carbs, and shiny stuff, and wheels, and more shiny bits, and
plenty to do then. This is the only bit it needs, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it is a bit dark in here, apologies, but I can't be asked to fuck with the settings, but this is what fucked him up last time, basically. Weren't it?
Yeah.
So
it come off.
Once he's done that, repainted it, we'll be rebuilding it on the channel, hopefully.
Hopefully.
We'll
rebuild it somewhere.
Yeah.
Hopefully here.
Hopefully here, yeah.
It may not be.
Hopefully hearing in your lifetime.
Can't guarantee.
No.
Can't guarantee doors.
If you need doors, we got doors. We got all the doors. Buy some doors. Basically, the plan for today is move all this racking behind me, or as much as we can, make a space and move the car from there to the lift over there, and do a few other bits, tidy up, get ready for getting this fixed and done, and that's about it really.
Technically.
While we're here, do you want to plug your new stock?
Look it up. We're getting loads. It's selling out.
If you want to buy any of that,
We've got it in stock.
we've got it.
And if we haven't got it, we can get it.
Cowshed Cars, what's your eBay name so they can check you the
Cowshed
stuff?
Cars, one something.
We'll put a link in the
Yeah.
description. Oh mate, I've made my own fucking spinning tripod now. Look at that mate, £1 million fucking channel now.
That's a standard everything, isn't it? Come on. You spent fucking 3 hours filming a 5-minute thing. This is what happens.
Yeah, this is the YouTube game now. You're not going to get any work done, we're just going to be setting up camera angles.
Oh shit, what's steering?
They've got the steering wheel on it.
No, I've got steering. I've got the key out. Come on, I've got steering locker.
Oh,
Looking like your side.
it's close, but we're good, we're through.
That's why she left you. Give her that extra inch, mate.
And then she friend zoned me.
Right, we're over.
Gonna give them a fucking nice little walk through. Tell us what you've done then. I see poly bushes.
Custom poly bushes. What else have I done? Oh, remade the engine mount so the Z-Tech fits in properly. Properly, look.
And didn't you fuck around with the battery tray as well?
The other
Is that
battery tray,
part of it?
that's been deleted.
That's gone.
That's gone.
Going in the boot.
We moved that to the boot. Give us more space for power. Space is power. So the more space we have, the more power we've got. At the minute, we've got the set of wrong drive shafts connected just because that's all we've fucking got in stock. So that's what it's having.
Didn't you forget to put one of them on? There was something you forgot to put on.
They're broken. You don't worry about them. And then we've got the new old stock window, which is hiding somewhere on top of the car under a load of shit.
Yeah, you got the wheels, so
We've
you
got
picked them out,
custom-made
didn't you?
brackets here and there.
Oh wait, where are you showing the brackets?
Oh, they're here, look. They're painted now. There to move the engine across an inch so we can do that shit. So it fits, basically. It's a
Pretty
shit fit.
tidy, man.
Straight out the gun, no mop, no polish.
We're making YouTube videos.
Criminal.
Say hello.
Criminals on go. Now it's crime watch.
Yeah,
It's crime watch
We're
now.
getting that internet money.
Internet money, now you're going to call out YouTube.
Stacks on stacks.
So you're filming.
We're filming this being built.
This video's going to take some fucking time. isn't it?
Exactly what I said.
Yeah, this is. Well, it's already been here. How many years?
That's what I said.
I've given up counting.
This
It got to
project-
double figures and I lost fingers because I'm
So
normal.
there's projects and then there's projects.
It'll be done right and done once. I know this is the second time.
It's already been done once.
It's been MOT once.
Yes.
Only one way to find out, really.
I don't take this much care of anyone's car or ramp, by the way. Don't everyone get used to this service.
That's fine.
Right, that bit when you're wearing it.
New bumps and everything.
Well, he's smashing out now, though.
Oh, different.
Cost all £6.
Is that new old stock rag?
Once we give the wreck, so this is not the car.
So we've got most of this racking ready to come down now. I just got to, it's really unsafe. It's only held together by cable ties. So I'm going to snip the cable ties off now, take these 2 bits of racking down so we've got more space. And we're going to, all these doors here are going to go under that space. Hopefully that should allow us a bit of room. We're not too sure. I'm going to have a quick cigarette break now, and then we're going to get back onto that. And that's about it for now. Where are you going?
I don't know yet. I haven't got there. I've just got an address and some bolt props.
Leaving me to take all this down, and you're off to break into a unit.
Yeah, which is,
see you later, Danny.
Which is apparently next to a pub.
You're gonna bring me a pint back?
You're not allowed to drink. Diabetic.
You can still drink.
What? I thought diabetes killed people.
Nah, man, you just inject yourself. It's basically a heroin addict, but with less steps. Yeah.
So yeah, get all that down and move the doors.
All right.
There, onto pallets. Pallet. What you do? Get some pallets.
Where are the pallets? Just outside.
Yeah.
Just steal them. Yeah, I got you. Steal them.
If you get too far, if you meet the engines, you've gone too far.
Got you.
Right, and then tidy up. I'll be back.
Right. Sweet.
Thanks, up.
We'll see you later.
All right, mate.
Ready to take this 2 bits of racking down. So what we're going to do, we're going to put all these doors, I'll just show you here, all these doors under there on pallets. All that racking will be gone, so that'll make a bit more room. We're going to put the bikes on the other side, and hopefully we'll have more room to move around the cars and everything like that, and put new stock on the shelves. We want to build an office basically where all this stuff is here. We're going to build a nice little wooden office so we can do the listings, do photos, do videos, all that kind of things. But let us know in the comments what you want to see in the unit, if you like the unit, what you want to see on the projects, what sort of thing we can put in here. We're trying to get some milling machines put in for next week, loads of CNC stuff, loads of cool stuff, so we're going to be able to make stuff, destroy stuff, strip stuff, build stuff, all of the stuff. But for now, I'm going to take all this racking down, going to move around bits and bobs, move these doors around, try and get a bit tidied up so the next time you see the unit it should be nice and clean. We are going to bring the Golf up here soon, get a load of work done on that. You've seen the Fiesta, had a little chat on the Fiesta, that's going to be featured in a load more videos, so is Aydon obviously. So yeah, this is pretty much the unit. I hope you all enjoy it. Going to carry on working now. I'll hit back up with you in a sec when I've actually got the racking down. In. I'm going to go get some, what are they called, shop crates now, put them on the floor, put the doors on top of them, put one every now and then so you can get the doors out nice and easy, and we should have done quite a bit of work today, I think. From stealing fucking units.
Not breaking.
What do you reckon to the work?
Looking alright,
Look at all that. Doors. He said the other side. Film me taking the racking down so you can have a good laugh at that. Nearly crushed me and the dog a couple times. He's been chasing rats that were living behind here.
Oh.
So he's on that job, don't worry. Look how beautiful it looks. A little bit messy over this side. Fucking hell. We're meant to make more room, not less. I took all this racking down because Aydon was too lazy and he had to go on holiday to a nice spa. I've made a nice big mess to clean up soon. All the doors are there. We're moving all the stuff ready for the officey area here. And
Loads of cool shit. Loads.
what's coming up? Tell the viewers what they can look forward to.
What you look forward to?
Yeah.
Me going to Barbados for a week.
Oh, you're paying for the whole staff as well?
What's that?
Or one of the staff?
Oh, I've got a video, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, look at that, folks. All that done today. Gonna have a little cigarette, and then what are we doing after that? We're finished?
Yeah.
We're finished. So put the doors down, and then we'll be back here for another episode at some point, probably in this week. BMW pulling up, is that? Someone we know? Here it goes. Yeah, there'll be another episode in the unit this week. There's going to be some more golf videos up this week. Probably some Aydon videos, maybe an Explorer too, who knows. Drop the channel a subscribe so we can take over the world. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, the unit, all that shit. And drop us a comment below what you want to see next.